How to change Instagram Explore feed. So for that, you can open up your Instagram first, and from here you can head over to the bottom right corner and you will be finding your profile page like this. So from the section, you can tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open up settings and activity. Once settings and activity opens up, you can scroll down and head over to the section called what you see, where you should be finding content preferences. So you can tap on it, and from here what you're gonna do is reset your suggested content. So you can find this interested. If you have any post interested, you can go ahead and see it here, but if you're not interested, you can go ahead and see in this section. Along with that, there is another option which is specific words and phrases. You can tap on it, and here you can type in the words to hide the suggested posts with hashtags or captions that have specific words or phrases or emojis right in the section. After that, tap on done, and it won't be showing you videos with those specific words or phrases. After that, the next thing we have is sensitive content. You can tap on it. When you do, you can choose how much sensitive content you want to see on your Instagram. If you want to see less, tap on less. If you want to see more, you can tap on more. And we also have political content. You can tap on it to control the political content from accounts that you don't follow. And you can also snooze the suggested post. So that is it for now. That is how you basically change Instagram Explore feed. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.